Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be bringing you guys tons of cleaning motivation in today's Clean With Me. This took me all day to clean, and so I'm going to take you along cleaning through the whole main floor of my house. So stay tuned for lots of cleaning motivation throughout. I am starting off in my bathroom, and I needed to go ahead and give my makeup brushes a really good clean. It has been a while since I have done this and my face started breaking out, so it was definitely time. You guys don't even want to know how long it's been since I've cleaned my brushes. So here's your friendly reminder to go ahead and clean your makeup brushes. I recommend using Dawn dish soap. However, I am allergic, so I use this Mary Kay cleansing bar soap, and it works incredible as well. So I am just moving through my bathroom using the Method all-purpose cleaner in the sea salt and lime. It is almost done, and so I definitely need to get a new bottle, but I am trying to switch over to more natural cleaning products, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to go ahead and move forward with, so we will see. I do also have a Young Living cleaner, if you are wondering, and I do really like that.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi.
So here on the toilet, I am using a Clorox wipe, which is a bleach wipe. But again, I am probably going to start switching over to more natural products. But I do like that these are just like thrown away after you are done cleaning the toilet. And so I'm going to try and stick with something like that. It had been a while since I had dusted up here, so I wanted to go ahead and just give it a quick dust using my microfiber cloth and no product. And then I noticed that our light fixtures, I know they're hideous, but we're just renting, so nothing I can do about it. Anyway, they were so dusty, so I wanted to go ahead and give those a nice clean before moving on to my toddler's bedroom. So I am using my Pledge wood cleaner in the girls' bedroom, as I couldn't find my Method wood cleaner, which I do freaking love. I like it a lot more than Pledge. So I actually opened the girls' window after this and really let the room air out. It is still fairly warm here in Ontario as I'm filming this voiceover. We've actually still had above 0-degree weather, which is fairly warm, and we currently have no snow. But I would love to know if you guys have snow where you live, and if you're still able to open up your windows and let the fresh air in.
as firefighters. You got me dancing in your store. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as fire.
So I know that the holidays and the Christmas season can sometimes get a little overwhelming and be very stressful. So you may or may not have noticed, but I am only posting one video a week. There might be one bonus video this month, but for the month of December, I am just sticking to one video a week. So stick with me here, and then come January, we will hopefully be going back full force into it. And I'm really excited for what is to come. I have a very exciting collaboration next week here on my channel, and then I think I am going to film part of like a Q&A. I'm gonna integrate it into one of my cleaning videos. If that is something that you guys would like to see, then go ahead and let me know down below with any questions that you have for me. It can be literally anything. I am an open book. And so yeah, I'm really excited for that. I will probably just integrate it again into a cleaning video. Maybe when I am wrapping some presents, as I do have to do that for these little cool cats in the background there who are watching their show. But now I'm just tackling the laundry as it just never seems to end. So go ahead, grab your load of laundry, flip over your laundry if you have to, and do some laundry with me.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for you.
Alright, we've now moved into the kitchen and I wanted to share this onion hack with you. If you cry when you are cutting onions, I saw this on Instagram. The girl who did it said to just rub olive oil on your knife prior to cutting the onion, and it actually worked. I shared this on my Instagram. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you would have already seen that, but I wanted to share it here in case you don't follow me over there. But I'm just going ahead and getting supper cooking. It is now a lot later in the day, and I wanted to share this as well. If you have never tried mixing your sweet potatoes with regular potatoes to make a mash, it is so good. And to make it a little bit healthier, I also added in a little bit of cauliflower. So I usually do about 2 regular potatoes to 1 sweet potato is kind of like the ratio, and it is so good served with steak. So that is what we had for supper along with the strawberry spinach salad, but I am going to go ahead and end the video here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away.